Welcome to the best picks. The best ox horn combs is probably one of the most sought-after hair care tools for those seeking a natural, gentle, and effective way to manage their locks, offering a unique blend of tradition and modern hair wellness that promises to detangle, reduce static, and promote healthier hair growth with every stroke, making it an indispensable addition to any beauty regimen. Number 5. Dylonic Body Brush for Razor Bumps. Are you struggling with persistent razor bumps and ingrown hairs? It's time to find a solution that actually works. This exfoliating brush is designed to gently remove dead skin cells. It helps prevent and treat irritation caused by shaving. Say goodbye to strawberry legs and irritation in your armpits and bikini line. Achieve smoother, clearer skin with regular use. Its unique design provides effective exfoliation without causing further irritation. It's perfect for all your shaving needs. Experience the difference this body brush can make. Achieve the smooth, bump-free skin you deserve. What we like. This brush is designed to tackle common shaving woes. If you suffer from razor bumps, ingrown hairs, or strawberry legs, this is your solution. It effectively exfoliates the skin, making it ideal for use on your bikini line, armpits, and body before or after shaving. What people say. The comb is made of genuine ox horn, which is durable and doesn't generate static electricity. Its fine teeth are perfect for detangling fine hair without pulling or breaking it. The comb has a smooth finish and feels comfortable in the hand, making it easy to style hair. Number 4. Striking Viking Folding Wooden Comb. Introducing the Striking Viking Folding Wooden Comb, a premium grooming tool designed for the modern man. Crafted from natural sandalwood, it offers a unique blend of style and functionality. Experience the convenience of its switchblade-inspired design, allowing for quick and easy deployment. This comb is perfect for on-the-go grooming, fitting effortlessly into your pocket or bag. Effortlessly groom and style your beard with this versatile comb. Its fine teeth are designed to detangle and shape, ensuring a neat and polished look every time. Whether you prefer a dry styling or use beard oils and balms, this comb is suitable for all your grooming needs. It glides smoothly through hair, distributing products evenly. Made from durable and aromatic sandalwood, it not only functions exceptionally well but also provides a pleasant natural scent. Elevate your daily grooming routine with this sophisticated accessory. What we like. Experience the convenience of a folding comb for your grooming needs. Its natural sandalwood scent adds a pleasant aroma to your routine. If you're a man looking for a stylish and portable way to groom and style your beard, this is the perfect choice, usable with or without oils and balms. What people say. Great comb for my hair. Curves slightly to fit head better. Works well on Caucasian hair. Both sides do their job without much issue. The comb unfolds and is a little stiff even when loosened with screw. It is made of sandalwood and the natural smell is wonderful. Number 3. HYOUJIN 605 Black Carbon Cutting Comb. Introducing the HYOUJIN 605, a professional-grade comb designed for precision hairstyling. Its fine teeth and heat-resistant properties make it ideal for all your cutting needs. Achieve flawless results with its fine-tooth design, perfect for detailed work and creating sharp lines. This comb ensures smooth gliding through hair, minimizing snagging and breakage. Crafted from 230 degrees Celsius heat-resistant carbon material, this comb can withstand high temperatures from styling tools. You can confidently use it with blow dryers and straighteners without worry. Trusted by master barbers, this comb is built for durability and performance. Its ergonomic design provides a comfortable grip for extended use during long styling sessions. Whether you're cutting, styling, or detailing, this versatile tool is your go-to. The 14 precisely placed holes offer enhanced control and airflow for efficient hairstyling. Made from high-quality black carbon, this comb is both lightweight and incredibly strong. It's designed to be a long-lasting addition to your professional or personal grooming kit. What we like. Achieve professional hairstyling results with this heat-resistant comb. Its fine teeth and 14 holes are specifically designed for precision cutting and styling. If you are a barber or someone who values meticulous hairstyling and needs a comb that can withstand heat, this is an excellent tool for your kit. What people say. This comb is very sturdy and easy to use. It glides smoothly, detangles my hair easily, and the feel of the comb is amazing. This is a huge help with doing so, and it works well with hair products like the Wave Tech ones from Zmondo or even normal conditioner when your hair is stuck from not paying attention. The case the comb comes in is amazing too. Great durability. Convenient size for carrying to and from gym. Sturdy enough to help feed gap spacer between vanity and wall for chalking. This is great for clipper over comb due to its sturdy material. Amazing comb, and for the price it's simply the best. The size is perfect and it has like a lip thing on the bottom of the comb giving space for cutting. It's a smooth cut and the comb is not too thick, meaning it's perfect to cut tight to the head. The comb also doesn't carry much static, which is a plus. Number 2. Wapodeai Wide Tooth Comb Detangling Hairbrush. Tired of struggling with knots? This wide tooth comb is designed to gently detangle your hair, making grooming a breeze. Say goodbye to frizz and flyaways. Its anti-static properties help keep your hair smooth and manageable, even in dry conditions. Worried about heat styling? This comb is built to withstand heat, protecting your hair while you style it. Whether your hair is fine, thick, curly, or straight, this comb is perfect for everyone. It glides through all hair types with ease. Experience a comfortable brushing experience. The smooth, rounded teeth are gentle on your scalp, preventing irritation. This versatile comb is an essential addition to your hair care routine. It makes detangling and styling simple and effective. What we like? Effortlessly detangle your hair with this wide tooth comb. Its anti-static properties help reduce frizz and flyaways. If you have any hair type, especially if it's prone to tangles or static, and you're looking for a gentle yet effective detangling solution, this comb is a great option. What people say? The comb is made of ox horn, which is known for its natural properties that reduce static and prevent hair breakage. The fine teeth of the comb are perfect for detangling fine hair without pulling or snagging. The comb has a smooth finish and feels comfortable in the hand, making it a pleasure to use. Number 1. Kent 9T Tortoiseshell Comb. Introducing the Kent 9T, a comb designed for ultimate versatility. It features both fine and wide teeth to tackle any hair type with ease. Experience the superior craftsmanship of this large, handmade comb. Its saw-cut design ensures a smooth and gentle styling experience. Effortlessly detangle even the most stubborn knots, whether your hair is wet or dry. This comb glides through hair, minimizing breakage. Perfect for women and anyone seeking durable grooming. It's ideal for fine hairdressing and everyday use. Crafted with pride in England, this comb represents quality and tradition. Invest in a grooming tool that's built to last. What we like? Discover the craftsmanship of a handmade comb designed for versatility. It features both fine and wide teeth for all your styling needs. If you appreciate traditional quality, need a comb that works on wet or dry hair, and are looking for a durable, large-sized comb for fine hairdressing, this is the one for you. What people say? This comb is a game changer. It's made from a seriously durable material. It feels incredibly strong and solid in my hand. No flex, no give, no sense that it's about to break in two. The design is brilliant. The two different sizes of teeth are perfect. The wide set teeth are great for detangling my hair right out of the shower without pulling, and the finer teeth are perfect for styling and precision. This comb has held up amazingly well over the past 8 months. Not a single tooth has broken. I haven't been exactly gentle with it either, since I take it just about everywhere I go and travel often. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.